Hi everybody, it's Kirk and Tori from the Quantum of the Seas on Royal Caribbean. We're going to be on deck 10, room 280, and we'll start our balcony tour today. So again, we're on the Royal Caribbean Quantum of the Seas, and we are on deck 10, room 280, and we have a beautiful size room. As you can see just by quickly walking through that, we have a queen size bed, we had walked by a couch, and we have a beautiful balcony, which I'm going to start with today. Normally I end with this, but I thought it's so nice outside. We're here today in Brisbane, Australia. So we do have a covered balcony, and it is quite spacious. We have 2 chairs, and we have a little table, and you can see how deep it is, and down below you can see the boats. It's all covered, and it's a little bit of rust there. Oh, I guess they have to fix that. Okay, we'll come back into the room. There's lots to point out here. So first thing that I want to point out is that we have lights on either side, and we also have plugs, and we also have some drawers, and that's on each side of the bed. The next thing I want to point out is the amount of closet space and storage. So we have one here where you can see there's a lot of places that you can store by hanging here. And then we have nice deep drawers. There's 2 on this side. And over on the other side, you have more hanging. This, the drawer on the bottom is actually just a faux drawer. So you have a lot of hanging, but there's built-in storage on the inside, and they do provide a lot of hangers. Then there is a lot of storage here on the side. So inside of the drawers, you can see that they do provide a hairdryer. They provide a little welcome aboard. They have a little coffee maker here, some information, and then the rest are drawer space, and they're fairly deep. I have my hand spanned out. You can see that it's pretty big. And we also have a nice area for if you want to put your computer or do your makeup here. And there's lots of different plugs. And the room is quite bright in here, which I find is great. Now on to the bathroom. Okay, so the washroom here has a nice size step-in shower, pretty spacious, and it has somewhere down here on the bottom, you can see it's easy for you to be able to wash your feet. And on the inside of the shower, you will get hair and body wash, and there's lots of room for you to bring your own shampoo. And you'll see that there's a lot of storage on the one side and lots of storage down below. And just get a good look. So it is a spacious bathroom, which is great. And I'm just going to turn right back into the room. You can get one last view here, and we are on the port side of the Royal Quantum of the Seas in Brisbane balcony suite. Again, it's Kirk and Tori from the KirkToriStory, and we do live on cruise ships, and we haven't been on a Royal Caribbean cruise in a long time, so we're really looking forward to this experience. Everything seems very clean, very spacious, and very modern overall. Oh, before I leave, I do have one more thing to point out here, is that we did discover a lot of storage above the bed that I forgot to point out to you. All right, well, thank you for watching.